Goodnight Stories for Rebel Girls by Eleanor Favilli and Francesca Cavallo. Ada Lovelace, a mathematician. She was born in December the 10th, 1815, and she died in November the 27th, 1852, in the United Kingdom. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Ada who loved the idea of machines. She also loved the idea of flying. She studied birds to work out the perfect balance between wing size and body weight. She tested out materials and tried out several designs. She never managed to soar like a bird, but she created a beautiful book of drawings called Flyology, where she recorded all of her findings. One night, Ada went to a ball. There, she met a grumpy old mathematician named Charles Babbage. Ada was a brilliant mathematician herself, and the two soon became good friends. Charles invited Ada to see a machine that he had invented. He called it the difference engine. It could automatically add and subtract numbers. No one had ever done that before. Ada was hooked. What if we could build a machine that could make more complicated calculations? She said, excited. Ada and Charles started working. The machine was huge and required an enormous steam engine. Ada wanted to go further. What if this machine could play music and show letters as well as numbers? She was describing a computer way before modern computers were even invented. Ada wrote the first computer program in history. This is one famous quote from Ada. That brain of mine is something more than merely mortal, as time will show. Ada Lovelace.